nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, the time now. It is 8:25. I don't know. It is sunny outside. Nice weather today, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's sunny. I am thinking if I'm going to fix my bike to put this tire or go somewhere else. I am day off today and tomorrow, and then the day after I will be working in the morning. Good morning. It is so nice. I see a lot of people this time. Yeah, everything is moving, which is good. Maybe tomorrow, if I have time, when I come back home, I'm going to fix the bike. Yeah. Yeah, I still have no plan where to go, but you know, I'm already here outside. I am thinking of going to Sydney or somewhere in Central Coast. I don't want to go to Newcastle. I've been there. I can stay anywhere. I have no plan. But you know, staying in a hotel, I'm always looking for the cheap one. Yeah, I still have time. The bus going to Sydney will leave at 10:54, and no, the bus that is going to Newcastle, not Sydney. Bus that is going to Newcastle, yeah, will be leaving by 10:57. The time now is still around 9 o'clock, so we still have time. Because you know, the only way to get out of Port Stephen, to get out of Nelson Bay, is to go to Newcastle. Because you know, Port Stephen is a peninsula. Yeah, so the only way to get out here is going to Newcastle and then Sydney and other places. Outside is very windy. That's why I sit here and I'll be having this pancake. This is $12.50, so it's around $15. Oh no, maybe less than $20 because I also have orange juice. Yeah, it was nice. That would be the best pancake I ever had here in Australia. That restaurant is busy. I am supposed to go there, but you know, I don't want to wait for the food. So this is the best option. When I left, already a lot of people inside. Yeah, I am now here at the Hamilton station, just on the other side. Yeah, look at this. This is like you know, a sale of old things, a garage sale, something like that. There are more inside, interesting things. Yeah, this is the Hamilton station. This is the second to the last station going to Newcastle from Sydney. Yeah, and this is 1.5 hours from Nelson Bay by bus. Yeah, the train will be leaving in 3 minutes, and I am buying a coffee from here. It is allowed to drink coffee inside the train.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to
Yeah, the name of this station is Tagra. Tagra. I don't know. Yeah. And there is one super center there. It is like a shopping mall, but I'm not sure. According to Google Map, there is a Westfield in here, and we're going to explore that on the other side. Was coming from the other side, and now we are here. According to Google Map, there is a Westfield shopping center in this area on that side. Maybe it's not a multi-level shopping mall, maybe just a one-floor shopping mall. I don't know. But from here I can see there is McDonald's, this is Hungry Jack's. I've been walking like more than 200 meters already. Yeah, in there you're going to see the McDonald's, Burger King, no, what's that? Hungry Jack. There is this, Psychology. It's a cycle shop. And this. And I can see there the Westfield. Westfield is one of the most popular shopping mall, shopping center here in Australia. They are everywhere. And this is how it looks like here. Oh, it's big. It's a 2 or 3 level. Yeah, it's big. It's from that side all the way to this side. And we are coming from that side. Nice. It is hidden from the train station because the area is lower than that area. It is not sunny. It is actually cloudy, but it's still bright that you can't really open your eyes properly. Merry Christmas. I don't have plan of buying anything. I just come here, walk around to see something, to see place. Yeah, I can see a JB I have buy. I don't have plan of buying anything, but we're going inside. Maybe we see something we like. Yeah, they have a 10% discount on Apple computer. Nice. They have an outdoor area here. This place reminds me of Singapore Universal Studio. They have a very big parking area. Yeah, this parking area is very important because most of the people, I mean every individual has a car. This Westfield Tagra is surrounded by bushland, and we're going to wait for the bus going to somewhere near to the beach. Yeah, sure.
My Instagram is Holly_154. Mine is Jasmine Evans_.
Thank you.
Mine's Ella_X_ with 3 L's.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. They asked me if I'm vlogging. I said yes. Yeah, and they want to appear on my vlogs. Nice. If you can hear the music, this is the kind of music they are always playing in everywhere in the Philippines. We love love song. I was checking for the cheapest and the nearest hotel here, but yeah, the nearest would be around 2.5 kilometers and the cheapest is around 27 kilometers. Yeah, the cheapest is around $40, but that's 37 kilometers. I forget. Yeah, so I decided to go to the near one. Not very expensive, but still more than $100. It says it is in the entrance, and we are going there now. We are just waiting for the bus here. I don't know exactly the name of this place, but I get down here because I saw a lake. I mean the sea on that side behind this. Yeah, so I'm just going to walk in there. So if you're coming here in Australia, particularly here in New South Wales, you will need this Opal card. When I left the house, I actually forgot my Opal card, so I bought a new one, which is at $10. And then I used the Opal card to travel to Newcastle, and it cost me $2.50. Do you know that I am now traveling for free? Yeah, using this card every Sunday they are charging only $2.50, and you can travel around New South Wales unlimited, which is nice. You can save a lot of money. So the best time to travel is every Sunday, because you will sure spend only $2.50. During weekdays, the maximum amount they charge is around $15 using this Opal card. In 1 week, the maximum Opal charge is around $60. I think it is affordable. The transportation system here in Australia, here in New South Wales, because in other region, in other state, they have another card. They are not using Opal card. Yeah. Oh, they're nice, beautiful here, right? So we will be just walking here, and then from time to time we're going to check the cheapest hotel in this area. I don't know if this is a river, a lake, or a sea. I think I need to taste the water for me to be able to know if it is a sea or what. Yeah, those pelicans are feeling cold. The water here is not good for swimming. It's dirty water. Yeah, the water is not clear like the water in Nelson Bay. I think I am pronouncing the place right, Tuggerah. Yeah, because I asked the guy there if this place is Tuggerah. Is this place still Tuggerah? And there are so many trees here that are all like that, but there are two that are different. Look at these two, color violet and color red. Nice. Yeah, from time to time you're going to see some people who are biking. This water doesn't have any boat. Yeah, nobody's fishing, nothing. Also, it is not swimmable. Okay, now I understand. According to Google Map, this is the Tuggerah Lake. Yeah, Tuggerah Lake. Tuggerah. The next station is Tuggerah. Yeah, there are a group of people there. They are having a drinking session. In the Philippines, if you pass through to the group of people who are drinking, they will sure tell you to drink a little bit. Tagay! Yeah, they will ask you to drink for sure. Those are ducks or what? I don't know. They are not swan because the neck is short. It is now 5:30, but the sun is still up there. Yeah, we are crossing in another bridge. Wow, this house is nice. I don't know if you can hear, but there is a very loud music in this neighborhood. Loud music is very common in the Philippines. Yeah, there is a very long walkboard. Is that a walkboard? I don't know. Oh yeah, the music is coming from this area. In the some people built their tent. Yeah, there is a stage there where they are singing up there, but I'm shy to go through there because all the people are looking on that way, so we are hiding this way. A lot of things they are selling here. Yeah, that side I don't want to open the middle, people will see me. this is the end, and I am satisfied because, you know, this is my first time to see this place, and it's amazing. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I want to get there, but I don't know, maybe there will be no next time because I am not coming here next time. Oh, nice. Yeah, he is doing some push-up running. Yeah, good for health. You know, a lot of people here in Australia that are physically looking fit. Nice. That one is a toilet. You can see the toilet bowl, and it's facing here. Philippines, there is a place called Fairview. Just like that, we are now going up here. I can see from here that there is the entrance backpackers. Wow, that must be the affordable place to stay tonight. But you know, I want a little bit of luxury. Maybe I'm going to stay in one nice hotel somewhere there. The one that I am looking in the booking. Yeah, this looks like the center of this place. Yeah, the entrance. Yeah, this is the center, and shops and restaurants are already closed. For sure there are still some that are still, oh, this one is still open. I am now hungry actually, and I am thinking of eating in, there are some Thai restaurant on that side, but there is also one KFC here. Oh, nice, nice. There are many Italian, Thai, and those restaurants. There are so many. Yeah, even those restaurants are already closed. It's still good looking on this side. This looks like the entrance of the lake.